Hi, good morning, social studies students. I just wanted to go through a quick run through of what we're doing today. Today is Thursday, the 2nd of April. We're going to be analyzing and designing Cold War cartoons. What we're first going to do is we're going to analyze two political cartoons, and then we're going to draw our own political cartoon specifically about the Cold War, and that's that time period from the late 1940s through 1991, which was the fall of the Soviet Union. So make sure that when you're drawing your own Cold War cartoon, that's the period that you're focusing on. In addition, I wanted to model you quickly how to analyze a political cartoon. I'm going to pick one here that we have in our grouping, and this is one that I will analyze, but you won't. And that is on the atomic bomb. And again, this was a period where there was a lot of tension, concerned that there may be a dangerous attack from either side during this time period. And so we're going to look at this cartoon and analyze it. First, we want to look at this first part up here. We look at the words. Yes, sir, we got to get ready for the next war. Mark my words, we're going to fight somebody. So look at the exclamation marks there. Also, at the top of this, you say, take it easy, boys. It's loaded. So that's another comment that's up at the top here. Also, we're looking at the objects. We're looking at this atomic bomb. They're all sitting on this. They're sitting in chairs, okay? They have, expressions on their faces. We have to look at those expressions. We see a fist up in the air, which is showing a type of anger and angst. We also see that they're armchair strategists, which means that they're not physically fighting in the war. They're just arguing about it and controlling how the wars are going to go. The proxy wars, if you will, when we were in Korea or in Vietnam or any other hotbed across the globe during that time period when it was sort of East versus West, communism versus democracy. So the other thing that we're noticing here is that they're on top of an atomic bomb, which means it could explode at any time. There was a concern that we could go to war at any time, that there was this escalation that was so, concerning that it had everyone afraid that we were on the brink of any kind of a war. We see here that he's smoking some kind of cigar. It's very close to the fuse here, which again is a symbol of how we are in very, very dangerous terms, and that there could be a global war at any time. So this definitely has a negative point of view. It's saying that we could go to war at any time. It's saying that the people that are involved in the war aren't really the people that are fighting the war. The soldiers had very little to say about it except to just execute the plans that these two came up with. So just make sure that you're including this in your descriptions. Go through, make sure you're posting it. People, objects, symbols, what different kinds of text is there. So make sure you post it, okay? Now you're going to do two of these cartoons, and then you're going to analyze those two. If you're modified, you only have to do one cartoon, but you are going to do your own political cartoon after it. Both will be due later tomorrow, Friday. Okay? Hope this helps.